In this video, we explain how the Canva Magic Media AI video generator works. Canva is a versatile tool that goes beyond just presentations. It is one of the best programs for creating different types of media, planners, or other stunning illustrative works. To start, we need to determine a template. Specifically, select a template that suits your needs. Whether you make something for Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. As an example, we are going to work on an Instagram reel. For example, let's type this in here. Click on it, and then we choose a blank template. The first thing we need to do is download the Magic Media app. Then we go to Apps, we type in Magic Media. Click on the app, and then it appears here at the bottom left. The first step we do is we go to Videos. Then we indicate what kind of video we want to make. We want to make a video of a bird flying over the mountain, so we type that in and then click. We click Generate Video. The video is ready, and then we can look at the result. We click on it once, and it appears here. If you are not yet completely satisfied with the video, you can always adjust the prompt by, for example, instead of choosing the mountains for the sea, you then press Generate again, and as you can see, they have adjusted the video, and instead of the mountains, it has now become the sea. I am going to adjust the video for the reel like this. This is how you use the Canva AI video generator. The AI video generator is not available with a free account, but is only available for Canva Pro. If you want to try this for free, check out our link in the description. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.